This is a video going in depth on the cause and effect cycle of overfarming. Begins when the farmer has not practiced overfarming, when they have the original farm land. There's many reasons why farmers would practice this overfarming method. It's because the food production is very high, they must keep up to the demand, and they believe that this short-term effective overfarming will increase their production rate. However, this is not the case. It begins with the heavy use of fertilizers and pesticides, as this short-term effect will increase their crop production for a small amount of time. However, in the long term, it causes severe damage. These chemicals damage the soil and crops. The pesticides sprayed on the plants or crops seep into the soil, which damages it, and fertilizers are often used incorrectly, which damage the soil even further. These chemicals can get washed away to rivers and lakes, which then end up in oceans. This kills the aquatic life in that area. Since the chemicals have damaged the soil, the farmer must overfarm at an even faster rate to get their food production back to where it used to be, since it was damaged and they had this setback. Now, this causes the topsoil to become very loose, as when they till the soil very rapidly, it causes it to lose its compactness and it makes it susceptible to wind or rain erosion. This soil can end up in the local community's water supply, which is detrimental to their health. Now, from all these aspects that damage their land, the soil is now fully degraded and it's no longer to produce any crops whatsoever. Now, farmers cut down trees in forests because the soil around them is very rich in nutrients. This occurred recently in Brazil when farmers set fire to the Amazon to obtain the soil. Now they have new land and this cycle repeats. They have the original farm. They use fertilizers and pesticides. It damages their land and it becomes a cause to farm at an even faster rate. And now their soil has become loose, which becomes another cause for them to farm at an even faster rate. And now the land is degraded and the cycle repeats, along with all these horrible damages it does to the environment and our health. This shows why and how overfarming is a severe problem and it needs to be taken seriously.